Okay, guys. So based on the aproko or the aproko they call our be, and the pastor YouTube, I want to see Nyabe. As I tell that's like my content now. Nyabe don't make some posts where it just like say, perhaps Colombia as always because I don't say any man can focus on this street. Perhaps Colombia is focus on this street now. Na dirty bed. Okay. Any beer get focus, any man get focus. So perhaps Colombia don't choose and say if focus on this street. Nah, dirty bed. No, I make you like 360. So okay, wait to catch my attention for this post where dirty bed make am. So it the dirty bed go for Facebook. One of the grandas there, where he name na Korean last star. It just say perhaps Colombia don't go for go drag the granda when na corine last star. Talk say if corine last star support the Tibet again or anything, he go drag based on Power Colombia. Now he go drag the family, drag the generation, drag the this, drag the that. So corine last star now they try to reply Power Colombia. Man, read wait he talk for Power Colombia. He said, "Good morning. I just received a voice note now about a particular Power Colombia asking people to warn me to stay away from a certain person on the platform, on this platform. If not, he will expose me. How you go even manage expose person where they expose himself by his own self?" So Corine lifestyle okay, so Corine lifestyle basically is saying that she's not a fake profile. Perhaps I'm not going for exposing because she is already exposed on a heel. Me, I don't know. So he continues to say, "And Power Colombia, you went ahead saying you would investigate about me and my family and bring us on social media to drag us. I beg, if una know this person, I beg una tag it under this post. Now, Power Colombia na ghost. But anyway, more me tag the ghost. Now, let me say something here. Me, Korean last star, I will support whoever I want to support, and I'm not scared of any of you. And if dragging people is one of the things you guys do to scare people away, then you won't try that madness with me. I am not one of those your people, and I will never be one. So Power Colombia or whatever your name is, I am not scared of you, and I give you the go ahead to drag me. Listen, when you start dragging me, please let me know, because personally I would love to read the things you will be saying about me." Okay. Compound idiot. He start insult Power Colombia. Say compound idiot. Compound idiot. He say compound idiot. Una dey drink peace for meta. Ya mami he say waka na for Power Colombia. Can't get appealing. They supposed to say appealing. He say please, if you know the Power Colombia, please help me tag him because tag him here because I don't even know people like that. I'll be posting the voice soon. Okay, then he continue again. Saski Gilad, where the person allegedly say na the Tibet get that this account. He say Power Colombia, Corine Lasta don't leave you message say you must drag he. Una dey really feel say una get monopoly over people because say they support a particular person. Wonders. He say make you drag he. He no go stop for support the person and no say the person a sheller. And Shella to go take there. Eventually, Shella to go take another post and then Shella write and say waiting. Shella write and say, Grandas, this craze for 2024 warrior. See compound madness. Try, I beg una try the shame ya. Or na shame don't add confusion for una life. See as una don't frustrate like devil. Wey miss e grave. Una no ever tire. Follow me to my husband's house or. So basically, Shola Icha go talk say now he grant for the 2024, they no agree for anybody. If you want come for them, they go support you with their full chest. But my question I say waiting, Pascal say Korean last time at the first. I said, Pascal say Korean last time, people they don't come with their real face, with their real old thing. They worship you, they call themselves slave, they go kneel down for street for you, they do all kinds of things, they sacrifice all kinds of things, they even invite you. Since you there for their grandma coach, never invite a person for your side. He invite you go right for Germany, put you for hotel, take care for you, clean wakuna his shit, do all kinds of things for you, pet you, you put banger, he light them for you, he do you all kinds of things for the media. At the end of the day, wait to see happen, you still call shit. What talk about smiles them? What talk about this mention? What talk about a grass yasli? What talk about who? So you see the 20 person right and so. We Corilla star, don't say I will there for analyze them. That way your go gas, you see come up here, will they here? Eh? Say you can't put that say, hey, Papa, you drag me. I will support which who don't talk and type. People they don't talk who will support the Tibet to the end. Yes, they support though, but then is the Tibet a grateful somebody? Point interrogation. Yeah, but is the Tibet worth you supporting and leaving your family to be dragged on the media? None of the get sense on the streets. The Tibet a person really should not so. They say choose your own cover. If you want to watch the thing segue because maybe some depression don't hold you, or frustration, or loneliness, or idleness don't hold you. You say okay, maybe you go to pass your time for day, which is not even nice. You say okay, maybe go pass your time. You go pass your time for back, but no, you carry your full chest. I am Korean star. You want to vlog. Let me say you cannot shame the shameless. We say the Korean star they try to tell you say if you the shameless, you cannot shame the shameless. Then again say 1 year 2 years, Colombia one vlog about you already know your lifestyle. I'm not saying that you live a dirty lifestyle, but for person for this. I don't want to wait and I want to talk for this street. If not, don't pay Sarah before I will not to address the kind of matter. But since I did don't pay Sarah now is a Christian and a born again. I want you to say, we see you and no bother. You know, we'll not give up to months. You can't rewrite this story. So the people can say, my God, that's now. They are doing it. Okay. No problem. Oh, hey, the grand that's where they accept the Tibet and talk say, make them peel and pound. But if you want to go carry a food chair, go to see them peel and pound you because of the Tibet. Go and check the history. Go and check the record. The Tibet never ever agree for change, and again it will ever change. Record don't show up. How many people don't? For we, Mrs. Ebet, I do the Tibet waiting. I do the Tibet waiting for these streets. They are going to put me for table. Leave a made a vultures, they can't devour me. They were like crazy now. They talk to the person, anyway, I'm a Christian, I don't give my life for Christ. Hey, oh my God. Christianity can taste like this. Colombia, I wish I could help you, but the other person already throw you. You already open the fight. So the only thing you get for do nationality Park Colombia, you get for retaliate because they always start to say your mommy, your papa, So the only thing I'm Park Colombia I know, the Park Colombia that I know, you do you not don't wait to nothing do. You say what you do what you say. You don't understand. So therefore, I'm waiting. Make I rush after this video now. You can't rush over Park Colombia page. Make I go check the weather Park Colombia don't finally reply for bring the Korean last star and the story because. As a Corine last time, the 1 year story. Me too, I want hear the story too. Based on Amebo Aproko with them my body. Me, I want hear the story. I cannot that be Amebo Christian. I want hear. I'm a woman full chest. I'll go to wherever I want to go. Oh yeah, oh, Her Majesty, His Excellency. Go where you want to go. Maybe not gonna go show 12. You can't turn grand smiles. You turn at this limit. You can't turn even dope yourself because all the mahalahalas because say, if you know, you know. You can't turn with for street oh. Okay. Anyway, guys, do not forget to order your Dopest Slim Tea, Dopest Flat Tummy Tea if you want to get a banky body and you want to lose some extra weight, extra pounds, and you want to look flawless and hot. Then don't also forget that we sell designer bags, shoes, clothes, everything we sell. And thank you guys always for patronizing me and keep glued to your this because I drop it on any time. As I just saw new thing just comes to and this get Kane Food do some show and one major finish do that show. Man analyze at one time. Yeah, and you see, Pa brain today for they don't put the Clara. I can't analyze and Clara. Pa brain which you go to say go do internship, you go do it. Under there people. Anyway, guys, I love you. I live on a Korean last time. I'll keep updates. Then I hear again they say the one at Tori day on a Tori then I waiting. Now we can go follow that update because I'm the kind of back. So, I love you guys.